What's up, guys? So this here is New Dude 167, and today what I got for you is a really nice review, okay? So I'm going to be reviewing this right here, okay, which is the HOSIM 9125, okay? And what it is it's an electric RC truck that has a bunch of great features and a bunch of great options, okay? So what I'm going to be doing is a review. In other words, I'm going to unbox it. Okay, after I unbox it, I'm going to go through all the specs, all the different features, and then we're going to go test drive it to see exactly how it performs. Okay, so before I get started, smash that thumbs up button, guys. Smash that thumbs up button and comment, okay? Whether it's good or bad, comment. Let me know what you think about this RC, okay? And if you have one, tell us the goods and the bads before other people buy it. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so like I said, it's the HOSIM 9125. Okay, if you're interested in this by the end of the video, there's going to be a link in the description, okay? It's $149.98 on Amazon. All right, I just had to throw that out there. Okay, so it's a HOSIM 9125, okay? So as you could see, okay, it has the 60 amp electric speed controller, which is really nice. Okay, it has a 550 motor. All right, we have two different batteries that it comes with. Guys, it's a 4x4, guys. 4-wheel drive, really nice. Okay, you have your metal shock absorbers. And not only that, they're all oil shocks, guys. All 6 of them are oil shocks, okay? And then you also have your 2.2 high torque servo. Really nice, guys. Not bad whatsoever. So, according to the box, guys, it goes 48 plus kilometers. Okay, in other words, about 29 miles per hour, which I'm not 100% sure if it actually goes that fast or not. Okay, some of the different updates that it came with. All right, we have the metal spur/differential gears. Like I said, it has the oil-filled shocks, which are also adjustable. Really cool, guys. And a really nice part of this as well is it has the double motor, guys. That is awesome, guys. Really nice. Okay, it tells you a couple different little things here, like a metal transmission shaft, aluminum alloy cooling. Okay, and then we have the 60 amp electric speed controller. All right, really nice, guys. Really nice. Okay, let's see what's on this side. Nothing. All right, and then right here, it tells you a bunch of different options. All right, and it has all of this right here, okay? It has a power switch, the steering trim, steering dual rate adjustment, and this is all on the remote, okay? All right, we'll go ahead and go down here. One thing I have to throw out there, guys, is it is a brushed DC electric motor, okay? All right, okay, it says up to 48 kilometers, which I said it's about 29 miles per hour. It's a 110 scale. All right, and then there's a few other options as well. Not bad whatsoever. Like I said, though, guys, it's $149.98. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's unbox it. Let's see what it comes with. Okay, guys, so I opened it up. All right, you get 2 of these different boxes. Okay, first one is your remote. Okay, let's check out this remote. It's pretty cool, guys. Okay, so here's our remote. It's a pretty typical, it's like your average remote, okay? So, not bad at all. These light up blue, I'll have to show you here shortly. Okay, you have your power button. All right, you have your high and low speed. 2 different options. I don't know why there's a low speed. I mean, maybe for kids, I don't know. I always keep it in high. Okay, you also have your regular or your normal and your reverse. So, if you want to hit reverse, all your different options are reverse, okay? All right, and then you have your trim and then your steer direction, okay? Pretty cool. All right, and then you also have this. It has like a little rubber mesh on here. I don't know. It's not bad. It feels pretty cool. It's really light, pretty typical for these type of remotes and these type of trucks as well. All right, so let's go ahead and put this on over. All right, guys, so check this out. This is what it comes with, okay? All right, you have your safe bag for when you charge your batteries. All right, some people use it, some people don't. All right, it comes with this one right here, which is it's a see-through cover. That way, if you want to paint it or do whatever you want to do with it, you could design it yourself, which is kind of cool. All right, and then you have the actual truck itself, okay, which is really, really nice, guys. It feels really great. I mean, it's nice, guys. It really, really is, okay? So check this out. All right, I'm just going to do a quick spin, and then we're going to get into it here shortly. All right, and then as you could see, I'm going to throw it in my hand just to show you the size of it, okay? It's pretty good size, guys. It's pretty good size. All right, the wheels are really nice, okay? Really nice, not bad. You see your oil-filled shocks. So you know what? Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's take these clips off. That way we could see the inside. Okay, and here we go. All right, so this is exactly what it looks like when you open it up, okay? So, all right, so you have here's your power button. It comes with 2 different batteries, okay? It comes with 2 different batteries. All right, you know what? Before I move on, guys, there's also a bag of extras that it comes with, okay? I should have showed you this first. All right, so it has your LED lights for your headlights and your tail lights. Okay, it has your 2 chargers. It has 2 chargers, but it doesn't come with an outlet, hookup for your outlet. Okay, here's your battery. This is your battery cover, okay? So you could use both batteries at once, and you'll have to use this right here, or you could use one at a time, but this is your battery cover, okay? All right, and then it just comes with a couple different little tools, okay? Let me pull them out the bag really quick. All right, here you go. These are the extras. All right, and it also has your adapter right here. That way, if you want to use both your batteries at once without having to undo everything just to switch out your battery, you could connect both your batteries at once. All right, it doesn't save your batteries, or it doesn't use your batteries faster or slower if you use 2 or one after the other, if that makes sense. All right, enough of that. This is what we're really looking at, okay? So it feels really heavy. It feels really, really durable, okay? Oil-filled shocks. I did notice this. This is really, really flimsy. I mean, I guess it's good and bad. I don't know. I guess we'll have to see. All right, here you are, oil-filled shocks. Pretty nice, guys, and it's really heavy, guys. It's really, really sturdy. All right, and let's show the bottom, okay? So right here, these here are metal. Here's your skid plates. All right, metal, not bad whatsoever. Okay, but anyways, I just wanted to show you that really, really briefly, okay? I don't want to get too far into depth with this, because in the long run, we're just trying to do a quick review just to see how it actually runs, okay? Some people like myself, we're into RCs, but this, it's like a beginning of a hobby, I guess you would say. This is an entry-level hobbyist type truck, okay? I mean, these are your first steps until you start getting into the more expensive ones. Like I said earlier, though, guys, this is $149.98. Okay, so enough of that. Enough talking. Let's go ahead and go outside, and we're going to see exactly how it works, how it runs on dirt, on gravel. We're going to go on pavement. We're going to do all that, okay? So let's go check it out. Okay, guys, so we're over here on our local basketball court, okay? I'm going to go ahead and do a quick walk around. Okay, as you could see, we installed them headlights on the bottom right there, which is really cool white headlights. Not bad. So they're white in the front, all right, and then they're red on the back. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and tear it up really quick for a couple minutes, if even that, on this pavement, just to show you what it looks like on pavement. All right, so here we go. So right now it's on the fast mode, which is pretty decent fast. It goes pretty quick, guys. Not bad whatsoever, okay? It doesn't have a hard time doing donuts, not one bit whatsoever. It drifts really well. I'm telling you, it gets up and goes really fast. Them dual motors, you could definitely tell they're dual motors. And like I said earlier, they aren't brushless motors, but they are double or duplicate motors, okay? Not bad whatsoever. Okay, so as you can see, it gets up and goes, guys. It gets up and goes. Hold on right there. Bring that truck this way. Turn it on the slow mode. Okay, we're gonna put it on slow mode. Go ahead. All right, we're on slow mode. Come closer, buddy. Okay, this here is slow mode, okay? This is slow mode right here. Alright. Go ahead and stop it, buddy. Put it on fast mode. Okay, put it on fast mode, go ahead and go. As you can see, it's, well, obviously it's double the speed, but it does go really, really fast, okay? Really, really quick. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go over here. Let's go in this grass right here. Okay, let's go in the grass. Okay. Okay, go out that way and let's show them what it does in the grass. So as you could see, in the grass, it has no problem whatsoever either. I mean, a lot of your RC trucks and cars and stuff like that, they have a hard time in grass. This one here, shoot, it slides through grass like it's nothing. All right, I shouldn't say slides. It rides or drives through grass really, really well. Okay, so I showed you on pavement. I showed you on grass. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go somewhere where there's some not pavement. We're gonna go somewhere where there's gravel. All right, and we're gonna show you exactly what it does on gravel. All right, guys, so here we are. Go ahead, Matt. All right, here we are in some like gravel. All right, it does donuts really fast, easy, guys. As you can see, it does a donut really, really easy in gravel, guys. Really, really easy. All right, so there we go. Looks good. All right, looks good. I showed you what it looks like, guys. All right, so I showed you on pavement. I showed you on like grass and dirt, gravel. Not bad whatsoever. All right, guys, like I was saying though, I showed you on a couple different terrains. All right, this here isn't just your regular Walmart vehicle where it has a hard time like on gravel or especially on grass, okay? A lot of these have trouble on grass. Not this one here, guys. It goes like it goes over all these different terrains with no problem whatsoever. All right, but anyway though, guys, I just wanted to do a quick review. I'm gonna also do a couple other reviews on this as well, because I want to get more in depth. I want to do the pros and the cons. I just got this I just got this truck, guys, so I'm gonna do a couple different videos. All right, like I was saying. But anyway, if you're liking this video, guys, if you're liking this video or this truck, smash that thumbs up button, guys. Smash that thumbs up button and comment, okay? Whenever you do comment though, guys, let me know what you think about it, okay? Is it good? Is it bad? Do you like it? Do you not? And especially for the ones that have had a vehicle like this in the past or have one as of right now, let us know the pros and the cons, guys, because this one here is brand new to me and I don't know the goods and the bads yet, as of yet. All right, but with that being said though, guys, I'm going to end this video and thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.